Hey, it is Dillon King with Home Buyer Louisiana. I am out here in New Orleans, actually not too far off from, on my way to Chalmette, but still in Orleans Parish right now. We had a homeowner contact us. She owned this house with her ex-husband. She no longer lives in state, and the ex-husband has passed away. So she is not available to maintain or want to handle any kind of tenant situation. So she went to homebuyerlouisiana.com, told us about this property and her situation and how to get in touch with her. And here I am to assess the property. So there's no utilities on, so I can't really test what things work or don't work, but it looks in pretty good condition. You can tell it's been vacant for quite a while, and there's a lot of belongings still in the house. But overall, besides the yard being a little overgrown, some belongings and things like that, there's really nothing crazy going on with this house besides the fact that she just doesn't want to take care of the property. She doesn't have the means, doesn't really want to do it over the long distance, and that's totally fine. Whatever your reason is, really it's up to you, right? It's a decision for you to make whether you want this property, you don't want your property anymore. So if for whatever reason, whether the house needs repairs or doesn't need repairs, you just no longer want to have to deal with it, go to homebuyerlouisiana.com, tell us about the property, the location of it, and how to get in touch with you, and we will be in touch with you. We're going to take this house as is. Like I said, there are some things that need to be done, but nothing super major that I've seen so far. Lots of belongings in here. No one's going to have to, from the homeowner's perspective, going to have to come in and clear any of this stuff out because we're going to handle it all. So homebuyerlouisiana.com. We will get cash in your pocket as fast as we can, and we're going to buy your property as is.